Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining. Today we are going to look at a very, very serious or important topic. How will you make money on YouTube channel? How to make money from YouTube short video. So that's what we are going to look at. The first step that you have to do is to create a YouTube channel of your own by using your Gmail account to create a YouTube channel. After that, step two, you have to meet the YouTube monetization criteria. Meet the criteria for joining YouTube partnership program. That's monetization criteria. You get 1,000 watch hours or 10 million views and then 1,000 subscribers. Second, you start uploading short video to your channel. What kind of niche are you having? You upload short videos that are that you have to ensure that they follow YouTube community guidelines, no copyright. They should be advertise friendly. They should be able to advertise your short videos to other people. So that is it. They can also have attractive and quality originality of your video. Your video should not be somebody content, or you shouldn't download your video from any social media like TikTok, Facebook. It should be original content of your own. That is uh, the step two. That's the step two. So they also can have watermark or logo from third party social media. So they don't need any watermark like watermark of TikTok or Facebook or Instagram. They should be originality of your work content. After completing the two criteria, after creating YouTube channel and meeting the monetization criteria, that is now after completing the two criteria above mentioned, the YouTube will send you a message for what? Apply for partnership program. That is the same thing as what? Apply for monetization. So after that, you need to do apply on your YouTube studio. So you can use iPhone, Android phone or iPhone to join YouTube partnership program. So download a YouTube studio and open the YouTube studio, which is different from the standard YouTube app on either iPhone or on your phone. So when you download it and open it, you see your uh, right hand side, you see earning. You see earning on your right hand side. You click on it at the bottom. Tap earn from the bottom menu. Then select apply to get started. You select apply to start your monetization process. So when they will ask you to monetize your videos or your short. So you click apply. So when you click apply, they will now that's what click N in the left menu and then select apply. Then click start to review and accept base term. That's 4. You click start to review and accept base term. Then 5. Click start to set up an Addison account or link an existing one. So they'll ask you either you have an existing Addison account or you don't have or you don't even know. So you pick uh, any of the three. After you have applied, your application get automatically put into a review queue. where YouTube will check if you have met all the policies and guidelines. To see the status of your application, check the end section of YouTube Studio. So you check the end section of your YouTube Studio. That is what step 3 of downloading. So step 4, if your application is approved, so now you wait for about 12 hours to 6 hours before your application will be approved for monetization. So if your application is approved for monetization and you stop posting video about 6 months, your channel will be demonetized.
So if you have done younger about $0.02, $0.2, it depends on your CPM. Unfortunately, this amount is far lower than long form video, where you can earn anywhere between 1.61 and 29 per 1,000 views. The average bean is 1.2 to 2.5. For instance, 2 minutes is a YouTube channel that requires 20 million shots per month or 1,000. You get 0.05, which amounts to $50 per million. Unless you get hundreds of millions of views per month, it's difficult to earn money. In short, luckily there are ways to make money through short, besides this, which we'll talk about later. So let's end the video. See you the next time. These are the basic